So, we have the infotainment system. It's based on Android.
Yes.
And we work very close with Google. So we have Google Assistant, Google Maps and Google Playstore. And the center screen you see here is a 11-inch, together with the driver display here, that is 12.3 progressive dim. And we start here, so here you can very easily just choose the interior temperature, and then we can update this. And here you have all the climate functions that you can actually show in which view you want to have the air condition. Right now the condition is not on, that's why it's so hot in here.
In every car it's hot.
Okay, that's good to know. Here you have the heat for the seats and for the steering wheel, and for the seat for you as well. On this one we have the 360 camera, so that means the bird view of the car.
Okay.
So we have 4 cameras, one in the front, one in the rear, and 2 on the outside exterior mirrors. Here we have the different apps that you can actually do as you do with your phone. So if you take Spotify, you can move that to that tile, and you can take it away for that.
Just a question, because you said it's based on Android.
Yes.
Means you can basically access also like a Google Play Store.
Yes, I will show you that one. This one is Google Play Store.
Oh.
So here you have the Google Play Store, and here you have all the apps that are automotive approved. Yes, for that one. And I will show you a route, so we will use the voice assistant.
The Google Assistant is also implemented as well.
Yes, it's true.
That's nice.
So we can ask, hey Google, what's on my calendar tomorrow?
Tomorrow at 10:30 a.m., visit Mamco. At 1:30 p.m., lunch with Thomas. At 6 p.m., go for a run.
So in the morning when you're driving to the office, then you can just ask the Google Assistant, and then you will know. If we're going to take the Google Maps for a trip, so we will end this tour, and here you see the settings. You can change this one, and you can have the satellite instead if you want, same as in your phone. And you can also see the traffic around the route.
Quite sharp display.
Yeah, it's really sharp. It's a really good quality. It's a high resolution. And then if you want to add, you can write an address, or you can use the assistant, or you can have a recent one. So we press on this, the Zurich, and then it says it takes 3 hours and 12 minutes to arrive there. And when you are there, you have 20% left of your battery. So if we press this one, we can ask the Google Assistant, for instance, hey Google, show me the charging stations nearby. And then you will have all the charging stations on the route.
It's like embedded Android Auto with even more functions.
It's really good. And along the route, of course, you can also show me the restaurants and everything else you want to filtrate.
Okay.
And then we also have the media player. So we can hear to Spotify, for instance, or if you want to have Google Play or whatever, you can choose that one.
Do you also have still normal like FM radio, DAB radio?
We still have DAB, yes, and Sirius for US. Yes.
But analog radio is not existing.
Not analog.
Anymore.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
So analog we do not have. Yes, you can change the song by voice, and you can change it like this as well. And you can also change, for instance, hi Google, increase volume.
Sure.
So then you increase volume, or if you want to do it manually like this, or in the steering wheel. So it's up to you as a customer to actually choose what's more convenient for you. And then of course we have also the driver display. So when you have this view, you go in this route. Maybe you don't want to see it here in the driver display, or you want, but you can change if you want to have a calm view or if you want to have a car-centric view. And of course you can change here on the steering wheel the distance between you and the car in front. If we go here, you can also see different settings of the car. So you have the steering, and you can just swap what you would like to have, and also the region braking. Since this is a fully electrical car, we have regeneration on the acceleration. So actually when you will see it here in the driver display as well. So when you are having your foot on the acceleration pedal, it will go to the power, and when you take out the foot, it actually will charge instead. So you can choose what level you as a customer would like to have.
Strong competition for Tesla.
Yes, I think so. Yeah. And then that one we went through, and here you will have your personal user profile for you. And in this car we will also have 100 standard phone as key, so you actually don't need a key. We will, even though for those customers that do not want to use the phone as key, you will get one key and one activity key as well.
Is there already a market release existing for this car?
No, this is the pre-production car, and the first production will be beginning next year.
Oh,
so
wow.
you can order it now.
Okay.
But production will start beginning next year, and then you will get the order. So this is an ecosystem, as I said, that we work with Google. So, and we will have over-the-air updates with this car. So we will continuously have new maps and new apps. We will never get old. So that's
Like Tesla.
a really, really good thing.
Great. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you very much.